Assalamu alaikum friends, and welcome to my channel. Today I'll explain what a plant combo is. A plant combo means arranging multiple plants together in the same space. This simple technique instantly upgrades the look of your indoor or outdoor garden and creates a fresh, cohesive vibe. Grouping plants together not only looks beautiful to viewers but also makes plant care more enjoyable. In this video, I'm sharing some amazing plant combination ideas with you. I hope you find them helpful and inspiring. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, share and comment below. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more gardening tips.